Hi, welcome to Mennonite Farmhouse. I'm Leanne, and if you're new to my channel, I do cooking and baking from scratch and canning videos. And if you're into that sort of thing, feel free to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload my next video. And in this video, we are taking a classic chicken noodle soup and taking it up a notch and adding some fresh lemon juice and fresh lemon zest and a fancy orzo pasta. So come along with me as we make a slow cooker version of this soup. For this lemon chicken soup, we're going to use 2 quarts of home canned chicken stock with the broth of the chicken broth off this jar, and we're going to use a whole quart of home canned chicken. The recipe calls for a rotisserie chicken from the store, but waste not, want not, and why go buy something if I already have something very similar on hand. We're going to need 2½ teaspoons of kosher salt, a ½ cup of thinly sliced celery, 3/4 cup of chopped onions or 1 medium-sized onion, 3/4 cup of thinly peeled carrots, and I'm using matchstick carrots because I didn't have carrots on hand, and why not if you have to go buy them at the store. 8 ounces of orzo pasta, a 1/4 cup of chopped parsley that's flat leaf, a tablespoon of lemon zest plus the juice of 2 lemons, and 3/4 cup of English peas thawed. Before we get started, I want to tell the story of how I got inspired to make this soup. I'm a member of a quilting club, and some of us get together every week and hand quilt a quilt that we raffle off to raise money to make quilts of valor for local veterans. It's a project that's near and dear to my heart. And we all offer to bring lunch once in a while, and my friend Jan brought this fresh tasting, upbeat soup that was just simply called lemon chicken soup. And I just fell in love with it because, you know, I love lemon. And now we're gonna show you a slow cooker version of this soup. It's never easy to peel an onion, no matter how many times you've done it. It's going to be a long day, Lord. First, we're going to open our chicken. And get that in. Chicken stock. And I'm going to rinse out my jar. And get that in. Then our onions. Carrots. And celery. And our kosher salt. We're going to put the lid on and cook it for 4 hours on low. If this is our first time meeting, I'm Leanne, and I'm a Mennonite dairy farmer's wife, and we also crop farm a few acres, and we are never short on things to do around the farm. And I love to quilt and can and anything that has to do with food. So if we have like minds, stick around and we might have some fun together. After 4 hours, you want to check the tenderness of your vegetables, and if they're tender, go ahead and add in your orzo. Then we're going to cook it another 20 minutes on high. It's been 20 minutes, so we're going to check to see if the orzo is fully cooked. Then we're going to add in our tablespoon of lemon zest and our 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Then we're going to add our fresh cut parsley and our peas for a nice green color. And add our nice green of fresh parsley from my herb garden. Give this a nice stir. And wouldn't you want to be sick and have this? That is way better than Campbell's any day. Now remember to leave a heartfelt comment on this video and all the rest of the Souptember videos in this collaboration. And on October 2nd at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I'll be hosting a live stream giveaway where I'll pick one random video to choose a random comment to win a $100 gift card, either a Visa or Amazon. And we'll have several other great prizes that you won't want to miss being in the side chat. And we'll also be giving away a set of super cubes that I've just fallen in love with. And maybe there might be some Mexican vanilla. So remember, October 2nd, 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the Mennonite Farmhouse channel. Be there or no soup for you.
Kind of hot with that and
Huh?
it's kind of real quick.
What for is that?
But I
They come in the place that
put in the needle.
so we ran it out asking their
Oh boy.
If you made it to the end of this video enjoying this soup recipe, why don't you watch this next? Take care and God bless.